Hi, I'm Charles with Atlas Knife and Tool. Today we're going to demonstrate how to build an Atlas mini forge. All our parts are laid out. These are bent by a large hydraulic press. It gives us a better accuracy. All the parts are laser cut and bent. The legs already have the notches for the tool rest in them, as you can see. We start we have to attach these. This top shell uses an 832 little machine screw. It gives it a nice riveted look. It still makes it removable in case somebody wants to replace the bricks or do something else. Now got our main shell. We will weld the front plate to it. The rear plate is also removable with machine screws. Let's sit down and weld this now. Base plate goes on. Legs. Personal protective equipment, always a must. Now that we've attached the side port and the handle, our next step is to weld the legs, 3 at each weld, 3 points at each weld to the base and the shell itself. Alright, if Alex wants to come in here with the camera and show you, we tack weld these first. That keeps the heat down, keeps it from warping as much. If we weld it all together at the same time, it has a tendency to warp just a little bit. Now I'll do the back welds. that we've got those legs welded on, I'm going to get a close up in there of those. Show you a little better there. Clean that off a bit, you can see them. Okay. Now we remove it. Weld on the front plate. It's a 4-point weld, 2 on the bottom, 1 on each side. We don't weld it to the top because we want that plate to be removable. Then we'll take a brush, clean those up just a little. All right, now that we've got the shell welded, you always inspect the bottoms. If it's not discolored, it didn't weld. Now that we have the shell welded, let's build the burner real quick. We have a 1/2-inch schedule 10 stainless pipe. We have our custom made 3/8 flare to 1/8 NPT bushings. Our custom jig that we had made holds everything right where they should be. We'll attach the grounding clamp. Turn off our timer. And we now have a burner. It's welded. We'll give that a minute to cool down. While we do that, we will assemble our tool rest. 1/4-inch stainless rod, square. Laser cut tool rest head piece. That is the easiest tool rest to make. Now that we are done with that, I can take off my helmet. Now install our bricks in the forge. These are 3-inch bricks by 4.5 by 9. They're cut in half. Then we drill the holes out of the middle, and the back hole does not go all the way through. We do cut a pass through in there. Actually helps with the turbulence of the chamber, gives a better combustion to the gas. They go in that nice. That's the nice thing about laser cut pieces and CNC hydraulic presses. Things fit. Screw on the back. Put the tool rest in. We put it in upside down for shipping purposes. by now we can put our fitting in our burner. And tighten it, making sure that it is, I like the hex orifices because it's easy to tell which direction the jet is pointing. That is now pointing right. Now we'll go over here and we will box it. We're at our boxing station. This is where we put it in the box. Start with a large flat rate U.S. Post Office box. It is the best way to ship these. These have been engineered over the years to fit this box. No bubble wrap for us. We use all EPS packing materials here. We have our burner installation directions and the warnings. We include a business card so you can call us if you have any problems. We have a larger pad base now. We've had a lot of problems with the post office throwing these, doing whatever, and just damaging them. Going to this pad here, making the forge itself half an inch shorter, has allowed us to reduce a lot of that damage. We put in a 20 psi regulator. Kind of squeeze it in there. It's a flexible hose, it's not going to hurt it. Put our burner in. Put our handle protectors in. Put our top piece. Sample of 1075 steel. That's ready to forge as soon as you get it. Staple it. And put a label on it. That way we know which one we've got. Now as soon as somebody needs one, we'll ship it out to them. Thanks for watching.